Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's read Surah Al-Layl, the night. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the night as it envelops, by the day as it appears in brightness, by Him who created male and female. Certainly, your efforts and deeds are diverse, different in aims and purposes. As for him who gives in charity and keeps his duty to Allah and fears Him and believes in Al-Husna, we will make smooth for him the path of ease or goodness. But he who is a greedy miser and thinks himself self-sufficient and denies Al-Husna, we will make smooth for him the path for evil. And what will his wealth avail him when he goes down in destruction? Truly, on us is to give guidance, and truly to us belong the last hereafter and the first this world. Therefore, I have warned you of a blazing fire hell. None shall enter it except the most wretched, who denies and turns away. And Al-Muttaqun, the pious, will be far removed from it, the hell. He who spends his wealth for increase in self-purification, and who has in mind no favor from anyone to be paid back, except to seek the countenance of his Lord, the Most High. He surely will be pleased when he will enter paradise.